Welcome back to the Business Mind blog series on tips for the moderation of online meetings. Today with part 3, the how-to of your online meeting. Today we will deal specifically with the interaction with your participants, the structure, and your time management. First of all, the interaction. Most online tools already offer some helpful functions in this respect, such as chat, question and answer sessions, polls, etc. But you can also go beyond that, work with additional tools. There are almost no limits to your imagination. As always, it all depends on the right mix of methods. Not too many, not too few. But your participants definitely need some interaction and activation during an online meeting. Now to the structure. Don't forget your red thread. Make sure you stay in your neutral, moderating role. Lead through the meeting, but don't get lost in discussions about the content. Especially online, a good structure that your participants can orient themselves by is all the more important. Finally, time management. Strict time management is almost even more important online than on-site. It's best if you mention at the beginning that you will pay attention to strict time management for the benefit of all. Nobody wants to hang around in a video call longer than absolutely necessary. And the maybe most important tip, give yourself and your participants a break. In an online meeting, at least every 60 minutes. In between, include activation exercises. Check back in 2 weeks when we give tips for closing your online meeting and for the follow-up.